Here's my MacBook Pro, mid-2011. It's got a Core 2 Duo processor and it is struggling with what I require of it daily. It's actually got so hot that it's actually cracked. Yeah. So basically today I've had a delivery and I'm going to unbox it right now. Do you want to do the honours? I'm just going to scull the tape. Quite excited for this. Very strong tape.
I'm just going to move it back a little bit because of the chair. So there's another box.
Feels like Christmas.
It does, it's packaged well.
Wow. Packaged very, very well.
Well, that box is literally just packaging.
Okay.
Look. I like the idea of it.
Oh, we're getting to the business part now, I feel. Packaged very, very well.
I think that's just throw them in a bag, right?
Yeah, looks it. Oh, there's the keyboard. And power supply.
Yep.
I thought it was a genuine Apple one.
Yeah.
It's wired, which I actually prefer because I don't particularly like ones with batteries. I prefer one that's not going to die on me. Quite happy with that keyboard. So.
And then we've got the
Power supply.
power cable for the back.
Yep. Mac enthusiasts will already know what I've bought. Here it is, ready to unbox. What have I bought?
Ah! Oh, I see it.
Whoa. I'm getting closer. We can see the pedestal. Wow.
Right. That is very heavy. It came in a huge box.
That's good though because it was packaged nicely. Alright, we have the Mac set up. Time to turn it on. Probably should have found the power button before. It's doing something. So you can probably tell on the screen that this side is, excuse me, darker than the other. So at some point we will have to see if we can do the fix that's recommended on these.
It is a common problem with them.
Taking a while to boot. Rome wasn't built in a day now, was it? So the specs of this machine is it's got the i5 processor, 1 terabyte of hard disk drive, and it's running High Sierra, and it's a 2011 iMac. Right, now try and open Chrome. Okay. Wasn't too long. But but we'll have to set it up to the Wi-Fi because it's not actually connected to our Wi-Fi at the moment.
Well, it does recognise the keyboard, look.
Yeah, because it's typing it. There we go, no internet. Okay, so this was just a quick turning on video. As I say, we might well do a video of when we do the screen on it. There is a fix for it. That or it's just new screen time for it. But yeah, there we go. There it is.